Yes, good morning students. Today we will check the phenomena of reflection and refraction by the wave theory. As we have already seen, wave theory says that every point of a wave front will act as a source of secondary wave front. So we'll take up this idea and we'll explain the very simple phenomena shown by the light. The first of that is the reflection, and we will prove that the reflection, law of reflection by the wave theory. Now let us suppose there is a reflecting surface. This mm dash is the reflecting surface and a wave front. Now we are not talking about the rays coming out from the source. We are talking about a wave front is falling obliquely on this surface. So AB is the wave front. Say this is the tangent. This is the tangent. Line joining these tangents is the wave front. This AB is the AB is incident wave front. It is incident wave front. So when light reaches here at A, the second part of this wave front is at B. It is not yet reached to the surface. Now the time the second part of this wave front B will reach at A dash. This is the boundary of the surface. The moment it will reach from B to A dash, in the same time the first part of the wave front will reach from A to B dash. See, this B to A dash is how much? B to A dash, B and A dash is the same as A to B dash. In the same time it will reach from here to here. In the same, both are in the air, actually no medium change. This wave front will reflect and will reach at AB. So A dash B and AB dash is the same thing, and how much it will be? If c is the velocity of the light and t is the time taken to reach from B to A, so this c into t is the length of this and as well as this. Now in this case, this is the incident angle. You see that this is the incident angle and this is the refracted angle. Okay, this refracted angle is 90. This is normal, so 90 minus this angle, so that, and here also this angle is also 90 minus, so this refracted angle is nothing but the same amount. This incident angle is this I, and refracted angle is here. This is so after reaching this, let us see that when the second part of this will reach at A, so we have to draw a tangent with the time c into t, the same time. So we will have this particular path. So A dash B dash will be the transmitted wave front. Okay, this will reach here. By the time this will remain at this point. So this particular point, A dash B dash, this is the front of this and this is the start of this. So this particular will be the refracted wave front.